Qualified professional resin flooring specialists install durable, safe, protective surfaces in commercial buildings and environments. Depending on the end use of the surface, you'll need knowledge of the correct products and chemical compounds to use. You'll get to work with experienced professionals who'll provide on-the-job coaching and support throughout your apprenticeship. And it's a great way to earn while you learn. BCITO provides support with on-site visits to ensure your theory and practical skills are up to scratch. This industry could lead to work in the Pacific Islands, where resin flooring is in high demand for wet areas and kitchens in resorts. If you've already been working in the trade for some time, BCITO offers excellent opportunities to recognise your skills towards a formal qualification and also furthering your skills with advanced, on-the-job training for supervisors. Qualifications add professionalism, credibility and profitability to any business. Careers in resin flooring can progress to becoming supervisor, manager, contractor, or even owning your own business. It's hands-on work that can be both indoors and outdoors based.